Whoa, this podcast is insanely thick. Join me today for a very popular katsudon restaurant in Tokyo. Look at that mouth-watering pork katsu, perfectly fried to golden brown. And the soft fluffy omelette. Ooh, really can't wait to dig in. Itadakimasu. Look at the layers of the meat. This perfectly fried, tender and succulent pork goes perfectly well with the omelette and rice.